Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making a pizza, and normally we're trying to come up with some cool pizza ideas and pizza topping recipes for you guys, but we were going through the fridge and we got some stuff that we need to get rid of, so we decided that we'd do something different and take some of those ingredients that we need to use up and make a pizza out of them. So before we get started, I'm going to walk you through the list of ingredients that we have today. I have some artichoke, I have some mushrooms, I have some peppers that are actually from my garden, and I have some green olives that are stuffed with jalapeno and garlic. And then I'm just going to be brushing the dough with just a traditional red sauce. I'm going to be adding some seasoning to that and some fresh minced garlic. And then when we're done building our pizza, we're going to top it off with some manchego and Parmesan shredded cheese, and we're going to bake it in the oven. So let's get this thing started. Okay guys, now that our pizza's dressed, we're going to throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to keep an eye on the crust, make sure it comes up nicely, and make sure my veggies look crisp, my cheese looks melted well, and we'll let you know how it turns out. Alright guys, the pizza just came out of the oven. It cooked for 18 minutes at 450 degrees. We're going to get this thing cut because it smells fantastic. Usually I am not a veggie pizza type of person. I like my pepperoni and Italian beef and whatnot, but this pizza smells delicious, so we're going to get into it. Don't forget, work hard, food harder, subscribe, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.